Hello, in this video I'll show you how to remove and replace the left engine mount on Volkswagen Touran 1.6 petrol. The left engine mount is located just underneath the battery. It's not possible to see it from here, but in order to get access to it we need to remove the battery and the battery tray as well. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. That's the battery out. Next we're going to remove the battery tray which is held by 3 bolts. Now we have access to the left engine mount. This is the left engine mount right there. Before we remove the engine mount, first we need to get something to hold the engine. I'm going to use this engine jack to hold it on top. You don't have to use this, you can use a normal jack just underneath just to hold the engine. And when we're holding the engine, then we can start removing the engine mount. The engine mount is held by 6 bolts. There is 4 bolts just underneath these wires. We need to lift those wires up, and there's 4 bolts underneath, and then there is those 2 bolts that we need to remove as well. First I'm going to lift those wires so that I can get access to the 4 bolts. I'm not going to be able to lift them too much, just maybe put them to the side a little bit so that I can get enough access to remove the bolts. And here are the 4 bolts holding the engine mount. Now I'm going to remove all 6 bolts and take out the engine mount. That's all the 6 bolts out. Now I'm going to take out the engine mount. Putting the engine mount back on is in the exact reverse order. First you put it in its place and then you start putting on the bolts. If the engine is not in a position to put the bolts on, then you can move it with your hand backwards or forwards, whatever needs to be done to put on the bolts. In my case, I'm even going to use a pry bar just to move the whole engine and transmission a little bit to the rear so that I can put on the bolts. Now that all the bolts are on, next I'm going to tighten the bolts and then I'm done with replacing the engine mount. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.